Understanding LG Dishwasher Control Panel Indicators. Your LG dishwasher has several indicators on the controls that may be illuminated at certain times. Most of them will refer to an option or setting that may be currently activated. Let's explore some of the indicators that may be lit on the control panel at a given time and perform some simple troubleshooting steps. On newer dishwashers from 2016 to the present, you will find these indicators on the control panel. Digital display. The digital display shows the estimated cycle time. When the dishwasher is powered on, the display is blank. When the cycle and options are selected, the display shows the total estimated time for the chosen settings. During operation, the display shows the remaining estimated time. Rinse refill. The rinse refill icon illuminates when the rinse aid level is low. The LED automatically shuts off when the rinse aid is refilled or the level is set to 0. Machine clean. The machine clean cycle cleans the inside of the dishwasher. Note that this cycle is to be run without dishes in the machine. It eliminates residual soils, odor, white spots, and other dirt. Add citric acid or another cleaning agent for more effective results. Press and hold heavy for 3 seconds to activate. Control lock. The control lock helps prevent settings from being changed during a cycle. Selecting this feature locks all the buttons except for the power button on the control panel. It does not lock the door. Press and hold half load and energy saver for 3 seconds to activate or deactivate control lock. Note, to start a new cycle, deactivate control lock. This may vary by model. If it does not work, please check your owner's manual. Night dry. Dishes are often left in the dishwasher overnight after the cycle ends. This can result in the steam inside the tub condensing on the dishes, leaving them wet. The night dry option runs the ventilation fan periodically to help vent the steam from the tub. Press and hold extra dry for 3 seconds to activate. The following indicators can be found on LG dishwashers prior to 2016. Steam cycle. Steam cycle indicates that a steam cycle has been selected. This feature is not available on all models. Extra rinse. The extra rinse symbol indicates that an extra rinse has been added to the cycle. An extra rinse can help reduce hard water spotting on dishes. To add an extra rinse, press the rinse button repeatedly until the extra rinse symbol appears in the display. Sanitary rinse. Sanitary rinse is a high-temperature rinse that sanitizes dishes and glassware in accordance with NSF ANSI Standard 184 for residential dishwashers. Certified dishwashers are not intended for licensed food establishments. Spray intensity. Spray intensity displays the default or selected spray intensity for the selected cycle. Pressing the spray button on the control panel toggles between soft, medium, and strong. Half load setting. For small loads, you may use just the upper or lower rack to save energy. Each press of the half load button cycles between upper rack only and lower rack only. Child lock. The child lock helps prevent your settings from being changed during a cycle. Selecting this feature locks all the buttons except for the power button on the control panel. It does not lock the door. Low rinse aid. The low rinse aid indicator will illuminate if the level of rinse aid in the dishwasher is low. Add rinse aid if the level is low to maintain the effectiveness of the dry cycle. Eco cycle. The eco cycle option saves energy by using less water. This option should only be used with light to medium soiled dishes. Troubleshooting tips. As a rule, if the control panel appears to function but is not responsive, check to see if the child lock indicator is illuminated. Press and hold the rinse and spray keys to deactivate the feature and restore control. If child lock is not the issue, trip the circuit breaker for a few minutes to reset the unit. If issues persist, the dishwasher may require service. Also, if an indicator light is blinking, this may indicate a need for service. Please contact LG support.